Hey everyone, my name's Bblonde. I'm a blonde specialist based in London and have been colouring hair for over 12 years. The biggest struggle that I face every day is trying to achieve the perfect blonde for all of my clients and their different hair types. But luckily for you, you don't have to learn how to colour everyone's hair. All you have to know is how to colour your own. So I'm here today to offer some tips and tricks on how you can achieve your perfect blonde. So I'm here with Shannon, who loves a salon appointment, but also loves to keep her blonde nice and pearly in between visits. So I'm going to show you how to tone your hair at home to make sure that you get longevity out of your blonde. So Shannon has long, beautiful, thick hair. So today I'm actually going to be using two kits. So this is a semi-permanent kit that will last up to 16 washes. What's in the kit? We've got our shampoo, which is our first step before colouring. We then have our activator and our colour, which we mix together as our second step, and then finishing off with a hydrating mask infused with J-Plex, which will make sure that your hair is super shiny, healthy and strong. So now that step one is done and we've pre-shampooed, I'm now going to show you how I like to mix my colour. So I like to get my colorant and squeeze the entire tube into the bottle. Now you'll notice that there's a difference in the colour, which makes it easy to see. And as you mix it, you want to make sure that it's really creamy and consistent in texture. So now that my colour's all mixed up, I'm going to show you how I like to apply the toner. Usually at the salon, I like to go from the back and work my way up to the front. But for you guys at home, I think it's best that we start from the front and work our way back. So usually to tone back your bleached hair, you would apply this from roots to ends, but because we already have some regrowth coming through, I'm going to apply this on the pre-lightened hair. I'm squirting the product with my hand underneath to make sure nothing falls out, and I'm bringing it all the way down to the ends of the hair, making sure that the color is the same from the roots all the way down to the ends. So as this develops, you will notice that the blonde will start to go slightly darker. But don't freak out, that is just the color oxidizing as it processes. I still want you to leave it on for a full 20 minutes to make sure that you get the best result out of your toner. So now the toner's been on for a full 20 minutes, it's time to rinse. So I'll be using the Bond Building Treatment Mask, which is provided for you in the kits, which is actually the same as the J-Plex Bond Building Conditioner. So I'm going to rinse this and then I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes. To make sure that the toner is all rinsed out of the hair, I like to go in with a second shampoo. This isn't a necessary step to do, but I just like to make sure that we're working with a clean base before applying the mask. So now that the mask has been evenly distributed, I like to get a wet brush and brush through to make sure that the product is coated from roots to ends. And then I like to leave it on for a full 10 minutes to make sure the hair feels nice and soft. So now we're back, and as you can see, the toner has done exactly what it set out to do. It's given Shannon this really beautiful shiny bounce to her hair, and if you can remember before, it was a little brassy and a little golden, so that toner has definitely made it a lot more pearly. It's shiny and it's super hydrated. It just goes to show you don't have to spend a full day in the salon to achieve desired results.